Okay, so let me apologise for the lack of content in this video. Hadn't planned on making it, but hopefully it can help somebody anyway. Stick around and you'll see why I wanted to share this with everyone. I received a phone call from my tenant saying she was having issues with the hot water, so I went over with my engineer to investigate. The boiler in question is an Ideal Logic Combi Boiler, and generally speaking, if there's issues with the hot water, it's one of two things. The first problem could be the diverter valve. If you run the hot tap for a period of time and you find that the central heating system is getting warm, then it's definitely a diverter valve issue. The second cause of the problem could be the heat exchanger itself just not working efficiently. On systems without a magnetic filter, iron oxide sludge can build up in the heat exchanger and prevent it from working efficiently. My engineer very quickly diagnosed the problem to be the heat exchanger on this occasion, so he set about removing it from the boiler. This was a pretty simple process, took about 15 minutes. Once the heat exchanger was out of the boiler, it was a case of flushing it out to see what was causing the problem. As you can see, we had a serious blockage in the heat exchanger, and never in a million years did we expect to find this amount and this type of debris in the heat exchanger. As you can see, I'm using the shower hose in the bath to put some water pressure through the heat exchanger and flush it out thoroughly. But what's coming out is predominantly little chunks of brick. I can only assume they found their way into the system when this new build property was thrown together around 3 years ago. This is particularly disappointing because I'm sure an issue like this would definitely invalidate a warranty on a boiler. So anyway, there you have it. If you're having hot water issues on your combi boiler, maybe a quick, easy, low-cost fix could be to have the heat exchanger removed and flush it out in the bath with the shower hose. Wouldn't it be ironic if all this crap now blocked the bath?